Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohit Tech. Today in this video I am going to show you how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 through Windows 11 DVD. Open this PC. I have already put the Windows 11 DVD on my DVD drive. Right-click and open DVD drive. As you can see, Windows 11 setup file. Right-click and open on it. Click Yes. Windows 11 setup is running. Close DVD drive. Install Windows 11, click Next. Now it is checking the updates. Applicable notices and license terms. Let's drop down to End. Click on Accept. It will getting update on Windows 11. OKs, now Windows 11 ready to install means, upgrade on Windows 10. Click Install. It will take some time to install. In this upgradation, Windows will keep on your personal data, applications, settings, etc. Now PC will restart in a few moments. Now working on updates. It will take some time to install updates. Now our Windows 10 upgraded to Windows 11. Log on as user. As you can see, this is our Windows 11. Go to this PC properties. See under Windows specifications, Windows 11 Pro. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.